He murdered gamblers, women, even strangers on trains. Donato Bilancia became one of Italy's deadliest serial killers. Between 1997 and 1998, Bilancia murdered 17 people across northern Italy. His victims included prostitutes, watchmen, and random passengers on trains. A compulsive gambler, Bilancia claimed financial losses and personal humiliation fueled his rage. He showed no mercy, shooting and strangling victims in cold blood. He was arrested in 1998 after police connected him to multiple murders through forensic evidence. Bilancia confessed and was sentenced to 13 life sentences. He died in prison in 2020. Bilancia showed how greed, shame, and violence can combine into pure destruction. Do you think gambling addiction pushed him, or was he always a killer at heart?